How to transfer GTA 5 from PC to PS5. I'm going to tell you how to transfer GTA 5 progress from PC to PS5 and why it's not possible right now. Unfortunately, Rockstar doesn't support moving your GTA PC save to PS5 or other consoles anymore. Cross platform transfers were discontinued back in 2017 and remain officially blocked. You can transfer GTA Online progress from PS4 to PS5 or Xbox One to Series X or S through your Rockstar Social Club account, but PC saves don't count. Rockstar treats PC and console ecosystems separately, mostly to prevent modding abuse. Reddit users confirm that if you're on PC, you'll unfortunately start fresh on PS5. Moving forward, your best option is to transfer within the PlayStation family, link your accounts through Social Club, upload your PS4 save, and download it on PS5. But from PC, I don't think that's happening.